Parang merong mga maliliit na ground na nararamdaman kong dumediretso sa pores ko. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Shandy, and kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe and also don't forget to ring the notification down below so that updated ka sa mga upcoming videos ko. For today's video, gagawin ko ng unboxing, tutorial, and as well as first impression, itong product na I recently purchased sa Lazada. And this is the RF device. It's portable and nabili ko to around 1,037 pesos kasama na yung RF gel and as well as yung shipping fee. So ito yung RF gel. Skin tightening yung pinili ko. And there's actually two variation ng gel. Isang whitening and isang skin tightening. So if you guys wanna find out more, just keep on watching. Don't forget to sanitize your package. So SOP dapat yan. Kapag umorder kayo online, dapat sinasanitize nyo yung box. Well, ito, tapos ko na siyang i-sanitize. So let's unbox it. Yung in-order ko pala sa Lazada, yung walang box and mas mura siya. Didn't expect na magkakaroon talaga siya ng box. Siguro yung tinutukoy lang nila doon is hindi yung original box ng product yung marireceive mo. But good thing is that nilagyan ni seller ng box. At kung mapapansin yung pipi siya. So medyo kinakabahan ako actually, and I hope maayos yung product at walang sira. So ayan. Ang in-order ko is yung mismong device, and then aside from that, nag-order din ako ng gel. Hindi ko alam which is which, but let's try itong may pipi. So, feeling ko nakatipid ako kasi hindi naman importante sa akin yung original na box. As long as maayos naman yung packaging, okay na ako doon. So, ito yung actual product, yung facial gel. So, buti naman yung may pipi na box is for the gel. Mukhang intact naman yung RF device natin, although may konti lang siyang pipi dito. Pero, let's hope for the best. Sana hindi siya sira. Yan, so, meron pa siyang bubble wrap. So, this one is the RF device. And then meron siyang kasamang cord. This is for the charger, I think. Good thing meron siyang kasamang user manual. Naka-indicate dito yung mga uses ng LED colors, kung ano yung gagamitin nyo. And then we also have, may bubble wrap pero walang nakalagay. But I think this is for, yeah, this is for the charging port. It's made of plastic, pero mukha siyang porcelain. As I can feel it, mabigat siya, pero it's made of plastic. Pero itong actual na device is very lightweight. As in, magaan siya. And very plasticky yung feel. Kumpleto naman yung na-receive natin from the seller. So we have the charging port, the actual RF device. We also have the user manual, and yung cord for the charger. We also have this facial gel para hindi masakit or para maging smooth yung pag-glide natin sa skin once we use the RF device. Okay, so yung napanood nyo pong unboxing video, that was actually yesterday. So same day as well, in-explore and tinry ko yung device para once na i-record ko tong vlog na to, at least I know enough how to use it and ano nga ba yung mga naging experience ko kahapon. Para dito sa video na to, mapakita ko sa inyo kung ano nga ba yung mga tips, and para rin prepared ako once ipakita ko sa inyo how this device works. I-run through lang natin yung manual na kasama dun sa binili ko. So, yung device daw is RF and EMS beauty instrument. So what is an EMS nga ba? So EMS means electrical muscle stimulation, and it's used to activate the skin cell, stimulating rejuvenation of collagen to improve skin elasticity, soften wrinkles, and leave skin looking smooth and healthy. And it also has mesoporation, and the mesotherapy is a system of transdermal skin delivery in which microneedles, oh that's why, kaya parang feeling ko parang merong mamanhid na may tusok-tusok. So that's mesoporation. And there's also an electroporation, which provides a means to transport collagen and hyaluronic acid deeper into the skin. It also provides the means to achieve higher results with your skincare products without the need of needles. So mas nape-penetrate sa skin natin yung mga nilalagay nating skincare products, or if we're gonna incorporate this device sa skincare routine natin. And yun, meron na siyang radio frequency. Ano nga ba ang radio frequency? So it's an energy, uses the tissue's natural resistance with the various layers of the skin to transform the RF energy applied to the skin into thermal energy. So nakakabata itong device na to. And also it helps tighten the skin. Kaya yung mga RF treatment sa derma, siguro mga 3 sessions pag meron ka nun, nagkikreate siya ng contour sa face mo at nakakaliit siya kasi nga si RF, meron siyang kakayahan to tighten your skin and increase the collagen production. So mas natatanggal yung pagkasagi ng skin. And there's also a light emitting diode, or the LED light technology. So, this LED light is used to provide a painless skincare treatment that plumps up the skin by boosting collagen production and treats mild to moderate acne. So, there's a lot of claims about this device, and I really don't know if kaya niya bang ma-achieve lahat ng claims niya dito. So, dito sa user manual, meron din siya yung mga name of parts ng device. So, we have the charging stand. So, dito niyo ilalagay yung mismong device pag i-charge siya. And dito sa ilalim, dito niyo ipa-plug yung device. And then, syempre, may kasama rin siya ng cord. Tapos, isasaksak nyo lang ito dito sa likod. Next thing naman na ipapakita ko sa inyo is kung anong meron sa device. So, this is the power button, and nandito yung LED selection. Yan. When you turn it on, makikita nyo, naka-automatic siya sa red, yung LED. And andito rin yung indicator. So, nandyan yung battery. So, full siya. Tapos, andyan din yung level. Makikita nyo sa bandang taas. So, kapag pinindot ko pa ulit yung power, madadagdagan yung intensity niya up to 5. Ayan. And then, LED selector, kung gusto nyo palitan to. Meron tayong red, meron tayong green, blue, yellow, pink, and the flashing pink light. So, each LED color has its own uses. And then, if you're gonna turn it off, just press another power. Pag na-reach na yung highest level, and then you turn it off, so that's it. Para saan nga ba yung mga LED colors na yun? So, the red light is used to treat wrinkled skin and enhance the regeneration of collagen and skin elasticity. So, ito yung para sa mga wrinkles and for production of collagen. And then, the green one, it is used to treat the dark spots or discolored skin by working to prohibit the overproduction of melanin. So, kung meron kayong mga natuyunan na acne and nagkakaroon siya ng dark spot, pwede nyo gamitin itong green. So, the blue light is used to treat acne and oily skin. So, if you have fresh acne and you have oily skin, you can use this blue light. And then, we have the yellow light. And sabi dito, it's used to brighten the skin. It is suitable for skin with dark spots and dull areas. Not explicitly mentioned if it's for acne as well, pero kung meron kayong mga dark spots, you can use this yellow. And then we also have the pink LED light, and it's used to whiten the skin. Yun lang yung nakalagay sa description. It's for skin whitening. I'm not really sure if ano nga ba ang difference ng yellow sa pink, kasi para silang whitening. So, if you guys know the difference, you can comment it down below. I suppose yung pink kasi for overall, na pag gusto nyo pumuti talaga yung buong face nyo, you can use the pink one. And if there's a specific area, you can use the yellow. So, that's I suppose. And then, we have the flashing pink light. And it's used to aid in the permeation of skincare products. So, ito yung gagamitin nyo if you're gonna incorporate it to your skincare routine. So, for example, meron kayong serum and mas gusto nyo mas mag-penetrate siya sa skin nyo, you can actually use this flashing pink light. And now, for the most exciting part, itetest natin yung device. If I haven't mentioned it yet, I actually bought the RF device with this Royal Facial Gel. So, it's used for RF treatment talaga. So, dito sa ilalim, makikita nyo yung expiration date. Ayan, so 2022 pa naman siya. 6/22/2022. Ayan, nakalagay sa ilalim. And as for the smell, so kung sensitive kayo sa mga fragrances, hindi naman siya bothersome. And as for the consistency, ganito siya. So, para lang siyang yung ginagamit kong aloe vera gel, but it's kinda a little bit sticky. Unlike dun sa aloe vera gel na pag natuyo siya, smooth. Ito, medyo may lagkit feeling. This is the number 1 rule. Kailangan niyo talagang gumamit ng RF gel when you're gonna use the device kasi hindi nyo gugustuhin yung effect niya sa skin nyo. Nakaka-ground talaga siya. And if you're gonna use the gel, mas less yung mafe-feel nyo na pagka-ground sa skin. So, you really need to use an RF gel and also, kung wala, aloe vera gel. So, just to have a comparison, I'm gonna use the aloe vera gel dito sa right side of my face. And then, for the RF gel, I'm gonna use it sa left side ng face ko. So, unahin muna natin tong si aloe vera. Before I forgot, you have to clean your face first bago nyo gamitin tong device na to. And it's recommended that you use it during nighttime as last part of your skincare routine kasi bawal nyo siyang hilamusan or at least 6 hours. So, kapag gabi nyo siya gagamitin bago kayo matulog, pagkagising sa umaga, pwede na kayo maghilamos. Kaya it's really recommended to use it at night. And nakapaglinis na ako ng face ko. Wala akong makeup right now aside dito sa lip tint. So we have aloe vera gel here. So lalagyan ko na siya ng aloe vera gel. And dito naman sa side na to, lalagyan natin siya ng RF gel. And so now we have the gel all over my face. Again, sa right side yung aloe vera and then sa left side yung RF gel. So first, let's try the red one and intensity 1 muna. I'm gonna try here. Ang nafe-feel ko lang sa kanya is parang merong mga maliliit na ground na nararamdaman kong dumediretso sa pores ko, but sobrang subtle lang niya. And then dito sa side na to, same naman din. Sobrang subtle lang talaga ng nafe-feel ko na ground and it's not disturbing. Okay, let's try to increase the intensity to level 2. Same din, nararamdaman ko yung parang maliliit na ground, but it's not bothersome. Medyo tumami lang yung maliliit na nagtutusok-tusok compared dun sa level 1, but I can still manage it and hindi talaga siya masakit. Dito sa noo, wala naman niya masyadong nafe-feel. Let's try level 3. Parang wala siyang difference sa 2. Oh, medyo nafe-feel ko siya dito sa under eye ko. I'm not sure if nakikita niyo siya, but nafe-feel ko na parang namamassage niya yung under eye ko. Compared dun sa kanina na parang walang effect. This one, nararamdaman ko na namamassage niya yung under eye area ko. And then, let's try yung level 4. Ito, mas intense naman yung, ayan, I'm not sure if nakikita nyo siya, pero parang namamassage niya yung under eye area ko. And hindi naman siya masakit, but I can really feel it na it works, especially under my eye. Dito sa chin area, wala akong nafe-feel. Same sa jaw, wala akong masyadong nafe-feel, parang yung level 1 lang. Pero when I put it here around, under my eye, doon, mas nafe-feel ko yung parang minamassage siya. Let's try the highest intensity, level 5. Oh, nararamdaman ko siya. I mean, hindi siya masakit, nakakagulat lang siya kasi we started from level 1, tapos ganito yung level 5. Pero nararamdaman ko talaga na it works under my skin. And feeling ko nababurn niya yung fats dito sa face area ko. Dito sa side na to, wala akong masyadong nafe-feel. Same sa jaw area, wala akong masyadong nafe-feel. Parang nasa level 3 lang siya. Same here, wala akong masyadong nafe-feel. But when I put it under my eye area, doon, mas ramdam ko yung intensity niya. Ayan, I think nakikita na siya sa camera. Parang namamassage niya yung under eye ko. So, let's try to use the blue light kasi meron akong pimple dito. So, papatagalin ko lang siya here. And by the way, it's recommended pala to use 10 minutes. Kasi after 10 minutes, mapusa siyang mamamatay. Ayan, meron 10 minutes kayong makikita dyan. And then I also have medyo tuyo na pimple na dito sa gilid ng nose ko. So let's try. Medyo masakit siya. Nararamdaman ko yung parang karayom effect dito sa nose. I don't know why certain area of my face feels intense, pero sa iba naman hindi. Maybe because yung skin dito mas manipis siya, kaya mas ramdam. So anything na ina-apply nyo sa face, dapat upward motion. And let's try naman this pink one kasi pangpaputik daw siya. And then, I also wanna try naman dito sa may under chin area ko, tsaka under jaw. Tingnan natin kung magiging sculpted ba itong jaw area ko kapag nilagay natin siya. I'm just gonna use this RF gel na lang. And let's try yung collagen. Tapos, the highest intensity. Nafe-feel ko siya, but it's not really intense. Kahit level 5 na. So now that I'm done testing the device, let's go straight to the first impression. So first, I think it's not a good idea na hinatin natin yung aloe vera gel and then yung RF cream. Kasi hindi naman natin malalaman yung difference nila because I glide the device sa face ko and parang napaghalo na siya. But dun sa consistency kasi, si aloe vera gel, kapag natuyo siya, wala siyang lagkit feeling. Unlike kay RF gel, pag natuyo siya, merong lagkit feeling. As for the effect, parang na-feel ko lang na nag-tight yung skin ko. But there's no drastic change kung lumiit nga ba siya. But as I'm looking to the monitor right now, na-feel ko lang na parang lumiit siya. I don't know if it's psychological, but parang nagkaroon ng structure yung jaw ko. Nakikita niyo ba? Pag naka-side view. I'm not really sure lang din if ganito ba yung effect sa iba. But as for me, ito siya. Ito yung face ko after kong gamitin yung RF. Pero nakikita ko na halata pa rin yung eye bags ko. Meron pa rin akong eye bags. Siguro, ilang gamitan pa ng RF, mawawala siya. Siguro yung sa whitening effect, let's give it a month pa. And doon naman sa pampapayat ng face, feeling ko at first use, na-achieve ko siya. Ewan ko, feeling ko lang yun iba-iba naman tayo ng skin type at syempre ng lifestyle. So kung tumalab siya sa akin, it's not necessarily na same effect yung ma-achieve natin. And if you guys have any question, just comment it down below. And I'm gonna post an update after a month or so kung nakakita ko na talaga yung effect niya sa whitening and also dun sa pimple. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you have any other suggestion kung ano pa yung mga gusto niyo i-reviews ko, just comment it down below. And I hope you guys are all safe and stay healthy. Bye!